I'm Chikako Fukuyama as MC today. This is our food tasting channel, and we will introduce you our special food from Japan, and we will cook and we will have our guests taste our wonderful dishes. So now, let's invite them! Our first guest is Ivory Brown. He is from Daytime Soap and General Hospital to protecting the peace from Japanese media, an actor and producer. Our next guest is Casey Gagliardi. She's an actress, dancer, and television host that has worked at Disneyland and Universal Studios for the past decades. Our last guest is David Young. He's a martial artist, former bodybuilder, and actor. He was also featured in Iron Man magazine more than once as both a fitness and role model. So are you guys hungry today?
Oh,
yes. Good. Today's dish is honburi. Honburi is one kind of yellowtails. But before you will have those, I want to show you guys what honburi look like. Come on!
Wow!
Wow!
That's amazing!
Wow.
Is it real?
It doesn't even look real.
Oh my god!
That was
Wow,
huge.
look at all the pink under there.
The eyes are still in.
Look at that.
Oh wow, I gotta get a picture of that.
Oh
I
wow!
think I've never seen this before.
So
Wow.
cool.
So this is what it looks like. Okay.
Looks very yummy.
Okay.
So honburi is also called buri, which means real or pure of buri. Yellowtail is same kind, but the size is different. Honburi is much bigger than yellowtail.
Wow, okay.
So I guess you guys are starving, so let's bring the dishes.
Yay!
So this dish is called honburi sashimi.
This looks so good.
So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Can we say Itadakimasu together? Okay. Itadakimasu. How's your food?
It's delicious.
Yeah?
It's got a nice flavor to it. Real smooth.
Do you eat raw fish a lot?
Oh. Yeah, but not as good as this.
Good.
I love it.
How is it, Casey?
It is so delicious. It's a very like buttery fish, very creamy and smooth. I love sashimi, and so I feel like this has like a really nice flavor to it.
Oh yeah, you
Yes.
can speak good English, Japanese.
ちょっと。美味しいね。 Yeah.
How is it, David?
Wow, I like it a lot. You know,
Yeah?
like I used to eat a lot of salmon, but this kind of fish, to me, I think it's the very first time.
Oh yeah?
You know, it don't seems like it's not really fatty, but at the same time, I can see that there's a lot of protein intake. So
Oh, yes,
I'm
the
definitely, I would try and do my diet for that
Oh
kind of
yeah,
fish.
that's good.
Yes,
Good for your
definitely,
body.
definitely.
I'm glad you guys enjoy it.
Love it. Thank you.
The second dish is called yuzu shoyu teriyaki. Enjoy it.
This is so tasty. It's really delicious. You grilled this, right? This was good. This is really good.
Okay, here we go. So good. The teriyaki is delicious and the fish is cooked to perfection. Great job, chef. So good.
You know what? I'm not used to eating skin, but the skin part is just tastes really, really good. Like I can feel is something like I haven't tried it before, and I think that they put a different type of sauce in there and it making more juicy. So I think that the chef they did a pretty good job. Yeah.
The last dish is buri shabu shabu. Please go ahead. How do you like it?
Ah, I love it. I like just dipping it in the hot water and watching it cook. And it's so good and hot. Like, it's great for like a super cold day.
Oh, yeah.
Be the perfect dish for that. Oh my God, it's amazing. Oh, a little bit. It's so tender, it breaks apart when I put it in the soy sauce. This is good. It's a little chewier, cooked this way, but it makes the flavor last that much longer. It makes it, it's like really like pops in your mouth. I think the heat helps bring out the flavor. Yeah, it's like it releases it. Yeah, and I like this the little like the sides and toppings you put in the soy sauce. I've never done that before.
Oh, yeah?
Never. So this is kind of really cool, the whole experience. This is like good for a group of people just to like have fun and party and eat together. Yeah.
I love when you said that this is an experience because it really is. It's very fun.
I'm glad you guys are enjoying.
Yeah, it's amazing how tender this fish is. And I love, like you had said, the onions and the radish with it. It really is, yes, so tasty. Yeah. It is so good. I keep thinking that I have a favorite, and then we try the next one, and now this is my new favorite. It's so good. Yay!
I definitely agree with you, and the fish is very tender, and but like I said, it's my very first time to try this kind of shabu shabu, and definitely it's making it taste much different. But I'm very traditional also, because if I eat that kind of food, I usually like to, maybe like add in some rice in as well. So yeah, that would be taste much better. But this kind of stuff, is to me is a very small portion, and definitely is making my appetite like a lot, easier to eat something else, So yeah, that's great. I love it.
Guys, here's what kind of vitamins Honburi has and how is it good for your body. It has DHA, EPA, and vitamin D, and vitamin B1, and vitamin B2. So everyone, I want to share the info where you can get the dishes after the show, so please stay with us a little bit more. I will see you next time. Bye! Bye!